In order to start trading with Taurex, it's really easy. The first thing you're going to need is obviously a profile with Taurex, and you can get that approved. And I've got a video that's showing you how to do that as well. Once you've got your profile approved like you see in front of me now, you're going to want to create your trading account from your client area and receive your credentials. After that, you're going to want to fund your wallet and transfer the funds to your trading account. In terms of setting up the trading account, that's the first thing you're going to want to do. You're going to need to decide whether you want a real account or a demo account. Obviously, real account you'll be funding with your own money, and a demo account will just be practice. Either way, when you click on any of those options, you're going to get the chance to either go for MT4 or MT5. Again, that's personal preference. MetaTrader is what the MT stands for, and the 5 is just the newer version. So you're going to want to select your account currency as well on either of those options. Let's say I go for MT5 and I want to use dollars as my currency. You're going to get the option for either a standard account, a pro account, a raw bronze, raw silver, or raw gold. Now, if you head over to tradetaurex.com and go over to trade and then hover over to account types, you will see the different account type options here, and you can read all about those, and you can open an account on either of those, but there are restrictions for each one. For example, for a standard account, minimum deposit $100, but for a Pro Zero, it's going to be $500, and for a Raw, $500 as well. The leverage is up to this amount. It's the same for all of them. You're going to get the same amount of instruments to trade, but you're going to get different spreads and commissions. So make sure you take a look at that and choose the one that suits you. The one that suits me is going to be a standard zero account. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to enter my profile password, click submit request. And then the team will be in touch regarding your trading account. You can see that pop up there. And then we just need to download the platform and actually log in. Now, just to let you know, if you are opening it for a demo account as well, you're going to need to put the amount balance that you want in there. Now, I would recommend using an amount that you're roughly going to deposit. So let's say, for example, I wanted to deposit 5,000. I'm probably going to want to input 5,000 into my demo account there. Enter your username, click submit request, and your details will pop up. You will get an email with this as well. Okay, so now it's all about funding your wallet and transferring the funds from your wallet to your trading account so you can then start trading. So make sure you deposit using one of the methods you've set up, whether that's bank account, credit card, e-wallet payment, or crypto wallet. And I've currently got $250 in my account, as you can see in this top right hand corner. What I'm going to need to do in order to get that into my trading account is just do a really quick internal transfer. So if you click on the internal transfers button here, and I want to click it from my USD wallet because I've got $250 in there, not pounds. I want to transfer that to my MT5 USD account. I want the full amount to go in there, so 250. My password in and click submit request. Once that request is submitted, that will then transfer the funds from your wallet to your trading account. And then when you log into your trading account, you will see the balance will be updated. Look out for the next video. I'm going to show you how to actually log into your MT5 or MT4 account.